Hi everyone, here is another gift from the garden, papayas. Some of them are ready to be harvested. So let's do that. That's one. Here's two. Three. And here's number four. So here's number five and six. I see one more. And this one is huge. Let's take a look. Lovely. Check out this June plum tree. There's some ripe ones there. When you have a garden, food desert is not a thing. No way. Can't go hungry. There's one right here. And that's our little harvest today. Papayas and June plums, or otherwise known as golden apples. Hey, check out this tree. This is an avocado tree. And look at the lovely blossoms. They are really growing rapidly. This is the first time that this tree is going to bear fruits. And boy, do you see those blossoms up there? They are all over on the top, even on the bark of the tree. Look at that. Take a look. Blossoms everywhere. Wow. Looks like we're going to have a very plentiful harvest. What do you think? A very happy day. Did some harvesting, and I'm looking at future harvests. Here it is from another angle. Look at that. It is blossoming all over. And that's a very good thing. Oh, and while I'm standing here, look what's below. See that pineapple in container? Look at what it's doing. It's getting ready for the pineapple season. Yeah. So a lot is happening here in the garden. And this, my dear friends, is the dwarf avocado plant. And I see something happening as well. What is that? Are these blossoms as well? It's one of two things. They're either blossoms or new growth, new leaves coming out. What do you think? Well, well, well. Last season, we got one huge one from it. Hopefully, this season, we'll see more than just one fruit. So, here we have the dwarf tree, and over here is the regular tree. So this is what I wanted you to see today. Thank you so much again for stopping by the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Tell me. Just tell me what you are waiting for. And I'll see if I can do what it is you're waiting for. So just go ahead, click that button. That subscribe button is free. That same finger that you use to click the thumbs up, use it to hit the subscribe button. And thank you again. So come back next time and see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.